So we all know the Insta360 X3 is great for 360 footage, but did you also know it's also great for single lens footage? Let's get into it. Okay, so you may be asking, why would I use a 360 camera in single lens mode? Let's find out why. To start, it allows you to get that traditional action cam look. And we're gonna be testing it out today with a longboard and a chest strap.
Let's get into it.
There are also two different modes you can choose from when shooting in single lens mode. Let's talk through them. First, we have default FOV, which allows you to shoot in 4K resolution, and you have a few different options when it comes to FOV. We have action, ultra, wide, and linear. Next, we have FOV Plus, where you can shoot in the industry's widest video at 170 degrees with max view. You can shoot up to 2.7K resolution, and you have to utilize the app or studio for flow state. Single lens mode also works great as a follow cam when filming your friends. We're gonna be testing out with this amazing running sequence. Let's get into it. But my favorite part about single lens mode is that you're able to share your clips directly to social media after you shoot them. Hopefully this helps. Now go out there and shoot some amazing single lens mode shots.